So first order of business for the day was to pick up a package. We have 2 packages that we're supposed to be getting, but only one is here, so picked up one of them. I honestly feel like we're not gonna get the next one till January, because if you know the Christmas rush, only one reach. Second order of business. Oh, am I here? Heading back to Pinglings. Y'all remember I was here like a couple weeks ago? I'm back to exchange these cords. They have like warranty on the charging cords. Afternoon. I can't believe this is the last vlog of 2024, but this is gonna be the last one. Isn't that crazy? The year is over. By the time you guys get this, it's gonna be what, the last day or the second to last day of 2024. Yeah, so it's an annual market. They have it basically every year. This year, I don't know if every year they have it for like two. Hi. We have they have it 2 Sundays in a row, and this is the last one. So yeah, we're here. I'll show you guys around. Been here for a few minutes, but honestly the market closes at 6 and we're trying to like get through and see everything. Wish us luck. We came late, but there's so much to see. A Jamaican delicacy. Oh, and then right beside of the, huh? Yeah. Dumplings, anybody? and dumpling them. Open it. These are like the dim sum dumplings. I don't know what they're called. They call them chicken. What are soy man? Soy man? It's like dim sum dumplings. These are corn. No, it's dumplings. Ada you say what's the thing though?
I used to buy them at
Oh, pork. You want it? We'd have to steam this. Huh? You want to get it? I would just like to say that we came in here to get butter only, and this is our basket so far, and we still haven't picked up the butter. Just saying. But we finally arrived. Oh, these are croissant rolls. Should we make croffles? Well, we need to get out of here because honestly, we don't need any of these things that we're picking up. Origin is a Jamaican bird. See, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Remember, they're the ones that make the orange juice, and then they started making was it oat milk or? I want to try it though, you know. 156. That's not bad at all. That's really cheap. Christmas Eve everyone. We are, well, mommy is currently baking right now. Baking again. This is the second round of baking. How many cakes are you baking, mother?
I don't know. Different size.
About 3. That's the plan. But I wanted to do the cookies that I got yesterday, but I don't think we have enough butter to do it. I might have to use oil because that's the next best bet. And I also didn't even think about buying icing and decorating the cookies, which I should have thought about since they're basically Christmas cookies. But it's okay. We'll see. We'll see what we do with them. Maybe we'll just leave them plain. It's not even that serious. Grandma said you can go.
What's next? Starting wrong.
Three cakes on the dot.
Yeah.
Anyways guys, cakes are in the oven, cleaned up the kitchen. It is now sparkling ish. But I'm not gonna do the cookies that I wanted to do today. I don't think I'm gonna do them today because the cake has to be done under like special conditions, completely different from the cookies. So I'm probably gonna do them tomorrow, I think. But I'm gonna finish editing a vlog that I actually want to put out today. Today is Monday, by the way, Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna go do that. I feel so sleepy and I'm trying to fight it. Yeah, I'll see y'all. Every time Ollie brings home something, we're a little scared because we don't know what it is. It's a leaf, but it's muddy. Did you go down in the mud? Why are you eating this? I know. Stop. It's just a leaf and it's muddy. Look at him.
Ollie, come on, something.
So this is why you can't be outside unattended. Sir, he's so pretty. Can I wash it off? Let me wash it off. I'm gonna let me wash it off and give it back to you. Hold on. Jesus. Ollie, can I just wash it off? It's muddy. I don't know. I see how you start protesting.
I need to show you.
No. Ollie.
Baby, your little stuff.
You see I'm rude? People are like, why am I on the outside?
Why are you protesting?
Hello, hi. And so I'm big too, every bad. What you think you weigh, mommy? Like 20 pounds?
Because I got him with 20 pounds. So heavy.
You can't go only with one on the way you're heavy.
Do yourself, please. Why are you breathing like that? Be quiet, I'll make your foot quiet. You're going to be jumping on the furniture. Why are you upset with the wife? Try there.
Full of mud.
Yeah, when you're hungry before you couldn't find two lizards. Yeah? Look at uptown cat you meet. Uptown cat doesn't know to survive outside. Learn to survive outside.
Good morning. Good morning. Hey guys, it is the end of 2024. Congratulations, you have made it. We have all made it. If you're watching this, I'm literally filming this on New Year's Eve. It is, and as you can hear, I am outside. So sorry for all the noise and all the firecrackers and everything, but we are going into 2025 and I wanted to do like a little sit down while I closed out the year here on YouTube. As you guys noticed, I posted 2 vlogs back to back as well because I told myself, you know what, with 2025 we're starting fresh with YouTube. We're posting all the content out before the year ends so that we can start fresh with 2025. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been watching the vlogs this year. You know, consistency has always been like my biggest problem with YouTube, to be honest, because I think I overthink my content a lot, and that makes it really hard for me to sit and edit a video. You know, I have to like go through editing videos for like a long time because I kind of overthink them. Why is everybody deciding to drive fast when I start filming, huh? Anyways, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas for those that celebrate. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. Also wishing you guys a happy 2025. I know some of you probably already celebrated the new year, the entry of the new year, and for those that are awaiting it, that are counting down, happy new year when it comes. I am very excited for 2025. Even though 2024 was not my best year, it was probably, I wouldn't say that it was my worst year. It definitely wasn't the worst, but it wasn't my best. You know, it wasn't my best in recent years, let's put it that way. But I feel like 2025 there's a lot more that, you know, I can accomplish and that I'm looking forward to, and I want to bring you guys along with me, you know, in 2025. And I'm just hoping that I can achieve all the things that I have in my head and all my plans for next year. The firecrackers. I mean, if you guys want to share, you can let me know what your plans are for 2025. I have a lot of plans and I feel like I won't necessarily say them now, but if I put my all into them, then you guys will definitely be seeing, you know, all of the things that I have planned for next year, because I'll be taking you guys with me if you stick around. If you subscribe, then you'll be seeing that. I'm really excited about it because, you know, I've kind of always been a kind of person that never thinks about a plan B. Every decision in my life is always a plan A. I never think about plan Bs because I feel like once you think about plan Bs, it's kind of like setting yourself up to not necessarily fail, but to have to pivot. And you know what, pivoting is not a plan B, it's just a a plan 8.5. You know what I mean? But you guys get what I'm trying to say. You know, I don't ever think about plan B's, plan A's, and just going full throttle forward to achieve that. And I have a lot of big plans, and I hope I can make them happen. Because I will make them happen. I will make them happen. That's why I'm putting this in the vlog right now. I'm making them happen. But you know, I was talking to my friend, my best friend, and I don't remember what we were talking about. And she said something about something she learned about like not disappointing yourself. And when she said that to me, it had like a really big impact on me personally, because I was thinking to myself like, wow, I've never thought about things that way. It's, you know, people always tell you about, you know, disappointing family or friends and things like that. But what about disappointing yourself? You know what I mean? And that for me, I think is the biggest thing. And going into 2025, the way I've kind of set up my plans is kind of like with that little tagline going like, how about you not disappoint yourself? You know, you have to make this happen because you can't disappoint yourself. And I hope you guys can use that going into 2025. You know, not disappointing yourselves, making your plans happen, making things happen that you put your mind to. I just hope that, you know, you guys will have an amazing year alongside me, because I hope you stick around. And yeah, I know that sometimes some people might think that it's too late to do certain things, but I think everything happens in good timing, and I never think anything is ever too late to do something. So if there's something on your mind that you kind of want to try in 2025, I would tell you to go ahead and try it, give it a try. You know, what's the worst that could happen, right? But yeah, 2025 is literally in a few hours. I will be going to my friend's house. This is what we've basically been doing the past few years. Kind of just having house parties on New Year's Eve. I don't tend to go anywhere on New Year's Eve outside of like my friend's house and just have like a little get together and stuff. So I'm gonna get ready to do that, and I hope you guys enjoy your evening. For those that are residing in Jamaica or in my time zone, enjoy your night, be safe, and I will see you guys next week in 2025. Bye. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, let me know what your plans are for 2025, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you guys next week Monday, for our first vlog of 2025. Bye.